What's up, fam? I feel like having s'mores, and the kids have never really had a campfire s'more, so I felt like we needed to come out here to Onofre. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this beach, but it's one of the beaches that is open now since the state of California is still kind of a gray area in some of these spots. We have like 1 hour of light before the sun goes down. We're just here literally to have s'mores, have a nice night to sleep by the ocean in our rooftop tent, and then we'll call it a day. Let's eat. That's all I needed in life. That's all we needed. Cheers. A little s'mores. Cheers. Cheers. Everything is all right in the world.